Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting now. Confirm the battery type printed on the old cell, CR2032 or CR2025, so you don't interrupt programming later. Use a clean, flat surface and good light. Small flathead or plastic pry tool prevents scratching. If your Mercedes remote has a manual key blade, remove it first to expose the seam. Keep screws or clips in a small dish. Once positioned, insert the pry tool into the seam and gently twist to separate the halves without forcing the plastic. Once the shell is open, inspect and memorize battery orientation. Take a quick photo if it helps, because polarity matters for the circuit to work. Use a plastic pick to lift the old cell away from contacts to avoid shorting. Metal tweezers can damage the pads. Place the new CR2032/CR2025 into the cradle. Press until clips or spring seats it snugly, and make sure the contact springs align cleanly so the button pad won't obstruct reassembly when you close the case. Close the fob by aligning halves and pressing gently until clips click. Make sure the rubber button pad sits flat and any antenna ribbon isn't trapped. Reinsert the key blade and test functions at a short distance, then from 3 to 5 meters. Verify lock, unlock, and trunk release. If the remote fails, first reopen and confirm battery orientation and clean contact surfaces. Try a fresh battery. And if necessary, reprogram the remote per your owner's instructions or consult a dealer for rolling code models.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.